Music. Need cash fast? This is my CashAdvance Express loan review. Learn if it's right for you. Full details are linked below. CashAdvance Express loans offer quick financial help for unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or emergency travel. Borrow between $100 and $1,000, depending on your qualifications and state. Apply online in minutes and get funds as soon as the next business day. Even with bad or limited credit, you can likely find a lender within their network. CashAdvance Express prioritizes transparency, clearly outlining terms, fees, and repayment before you borrow. They streamline the process, connecting you with multiple lenders at once. Be aware, interest rates and fees are typically higher than traditional loans, so use this service for short-term emergencies. Repay on time to avoid extra charges. If you need a fast, simple short-term loan, CashAdvance Express might be your solution. It's not for long-term financial issues, but it can help in a pinch. Ready to apply or learn more? Check the description below.